Hey everyone, let's take a moment to talk about something that affects all of us: nature, animals, and the deep connection we share with them. We often think of nature as just the trees, rivers, and animals around us, but it's so much more than that. It's energy, it's balance, it's life. Have you ever noticed how being outside instantly makes you feel lighter, calmer, and more alive? That's because nature isn't just beautiful, it's healing. The fresh air, the sound of birds, the warmth of the sun, these things recharge us, lower stress, and even help clear our minds. Science shows that spending time in nature can improve our mood, boost creativity, and make us feel more connected to something bigger than ourselves. And then there are the animals, each one playing a vital role in keeping the natural world in balance. Bees pollinate the food we eat, wolves regulate ecosystems, and even the tiniest insects help break down waste to nourish the soil. Everything in nature works together like a perfectly designed system. And guess what? We're part of that system too. But here's the thing, just as nature and animals give to us, we have a responsibility to give back. When we pollute, destroy forests, or harm wildlife, we're not just hurting them, we're hurting ourselves. The air we breathe, the food we eat, the energy we absorb from the world around us, it all depends on a thriving natural environment. So what can we do? Simple things make a difference. Spend time outdoors, appreciate the beauty around you, protect the places and creatures that make our world special. Plant trees, reduce waste, be kind to the earth, because when we take care of nature, it takes care of us in return. Nature is more than just a background to our lives, it's the foundation of our health, our energy, and our future. Let's protect it, honor it, and live in harmony with it. If you love nature and animals as much as I do, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite place in nature? What animal inspires you the most? Let's celebrate the world we're lucky to be a part of. See you next time.